Share a YouTube video on your Instagram story using your phone. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and find the video you want to share on your Instagram story. Once you open the video, tap the Share button below it. A sharing menu will appear. Select Copy Link to copy the video's URL to your clipboard. Next, take a screenshot of the video thumbnail or any frame from the video. Now open the Instagram app on your device. Swipe right from the home screen to open the story camera. Then swipe up to access your photos and select the screenshot you just took. You can resize it or move it anywhere on the screen. Next, tap the sticker icon in the top right corner. From the list of stickers, select Link. Paste the YouTube URL you copied earlier. Instagram will create a clickable link sticker for your story. You can drag the sticker around and place it wherever it looks best. Once everything is set up, tap Your Story at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Your Instagram story is now live with a clickable link that takes viewers directly to the YouTube video.